Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix clock app is missing on iPhone. Now if say for example you're trying to scroll here and trying to see if there is any clock application on your iPhone and you don't see it, your next option will be going to the app library. And in the app library I just want you to type here clock, and as you can see it says here no results for clock as well. So what we're going to do is open the App Store. I'm going to open it just like so, and then tap the search icon right here and tap clock right here. So once you search this one, you should be able to see here the iPhone's clock application. I can just go ahead and tap this one right here. So basically what happened is your clock application might have been deleted, which is why you're unable to see it. So now you can see that clock is installed right here. If I were to go here, I can see it. If I were to go in the app library, it's there as well. So yeah, that's basically what is happening. That's how you're going to fix clock app if it's missing on your iPhone.